Welcome to this Specialty Products Company installation video for the 66040 and 66045 Chrysler and Dodge adjustable front upper control arms. These fully adjustable control arms fit all of the Chrysler LX platform vehicles, including the Charger, Challenger, Magnum, and 300C. Easy to install and even easier to adjust, this is the perfect fit for standard alignment issues as well as special suspension tuning problems when you lower these vehicles for performance and appearance. Please follow all safety precautions associated with the equipment used to install this product. Start by raising and supporting the vehicle by the frame or body to let the suspension hang. Then remove the tire and wheel assembly. Remove the upper ball joint to retaining nut partially. Support the spindle assembly so it does not fall free, and using a small puller, such as the part number 8370, break the taper on the ball joint. Remove the ball joint nut, then remove the upper control arm ball joint from the knuckle. From under the hood, loosen the nuts holding the upper control arm to the body. From the inner fender well, remove the control arm bolts. It may be necessary to loosen and move the strut out of the way in order to remove the upper control arm bolts. Follow the manufacturer's procedure for removing the strut assembly. Now, remove the control arm from the vehicle. The new adjustable control arm can be used to adjust caster or can be clocked for additional camber change. Follow the chart in the instruction sheet to attain the desired caster correction needed. The ball joint can be placed in a number of different positions. Make sure the washer is placed correctly on the ball joint, then locate the ball joint in the control arm. The control arm has R for right and L for left stamped on the arm near the ball joint. This must be facing up depending on which side of the car the arm is used. The ball joint is then installed through the slot for the selected side used. As illustrated, loosening the nut and sliding the ball joint is how camber correction is made. Now install the new control arm onto the vehicle in the reverse order of removal. Install the mounting bolts and nuts, and then make sure the suspension is loaded before completely tightening the mounting bolts. This will center the bushings in their travel. Also, reinstall the strut if needed. Connect the ball joint to the knuckle using the provided castle nut and tighten securely. Then install the cotter pin. Reinstall the tire and wheel assembly. Now install the alignment equipment. The jack and hold or jack up selected axle option on the alignment equipment is recommended to adjust this arm. Loosen the top ball joint nut and slide the control arm to the desired amount of camber correction. When finished, torque the ball joint nut to 120 pound-feet. Adjust front toe and road test the vehicle.